Hi, friends. Happy last week of kindergarten. This is our last week together as kindergartners, but I can't wait to keep seeing you next year when you're a first grader. I want to do some magic, computer magic, so you can see my screen about all the fun things that are happening this week. So, ta-da! Okay, let's take a look. On Monday, that's today, it's the last day to submit your menu points, no later than 4 o'clock. So make sure your grown-up sends your menu points before 4 o'clock today, because after that, the points won't be added up anymore. So make sure you get all of your points so you can get your prize at the beginning of first grade. On Tuesday, that's tomorrow, it's our last Zoom meeting. Now, this is really tricky. Usually we meet on Wednesdays. This meeting isn't on a Wednesday. Usually we meet at 10 a.m. This meeting is not at 10 a.m. So I want to make sure that everybody gets to be part of our last Zoom meeting. Please have your grown-up email me if they're having any trouble getting onto Zoom. So our last meeting is Tuesday, tomorrow, at 9 o'clock in the morning. On Wednesday, you'll get to come to school and pick up all of your wonderful things, like maybe if you bought a yearbook, or maybe if you did some really neat art projects. On Thursday is when we're having a really special parade, and all of the teachers are going to stand outside 6 feet apart with our masks, and you're going to drive by, and when you see Miss Destiny and me, we want you to honk your horn really, really loud so that we know where you are and we can see you from your car. And then Friday is the first day of summer break, and that means school is all over, and it's up to you to work really hard over the summer to practice your sight words and reading stories, and you can even practice some of your old menus. I can't wait to see you tomorrow on our very last Zoom, and we are in for a really, really fun week. See you tomorrow.